We will be creating a roof-based family in this video. We will make a curved ceiling tile. Open a roof-based family template. Go to the front elevation. If you cannot see anything yet, then press Zoom All or ZA. Place two reference planes as shown and place dimension parameters between the planes as shown and create new parameter. V1 is the distance at which the curved plane starts and also ends, and R1 is the radius of the curve of the plane. We cannot assign the V2 to the third dimension as it will over-constrain the planes, so create a new parameter V2 in the box and write V1 equals R1 minus V2. We will find the value of V2 from the geometry. Place two reference planes on either side of the middle plane and make them equal, and place a dimension line between the first two planes and assign a new parameter for it. H1. Place a center ends arc curve with a center at the intersection of two planes as shown. The curve starts and ends at the intersection of planes as shown. Lock the endpoints of the curve to the horizontal plane. Hold the curve and check inside the box center mark visible. Align the center mark with the two planes and lock. Hold the curve and assign a radius parameter to the radius of the curve. The triangle is a right-angle triangle, and so R1 square is equal to the H1 square plus V2 square by Pythagoras theorem. Place another curve at the same center and a radius smaller than the first one. Align the center mark to the planes and lock. Assign a new radius parameter to the second curve R2. Create a new parameter th and write r2 is equal to r1 minus th. Align the endpoints of the second plane to the vertical planes and lock. Join the endpoints with a line on both sides. Constrain the thickness by writing th is equal to h1 divided by 10. Also write r2 is equal to h1 multiplied by 1.8. Create a new number type parameter FAC and multiply it with h1. For the values of FAC less than 1.2 the equation does not work, so write a condition statement. This means that when the value of FAC is less than 1.2 it is substituted by 1.2. The curve becomes flatter for higher radius values. Create extrusion and select the lines as shown and lock. At the upper reference level, place two reference planes equidistant from the central plane and create a length parameter and align the extrusion on each side to the reference lines and lock. Select the model and assign a new material parameter. Also select model lines and uncheck the box visible. Create a new project type file. Select Wall from the Architecture tab and place a rectangle at the level 1. Adjust the sides of the walls as required. Select all the walls and from the properties change the top constraint to level 2. Select the roof from the menu and in the pop-up dialog box say yes to level 2. Duplicate the wall type and edit the wall thickness and assign some material to the wall as required. Uncheck the Define Slope. And pick all the 4 walls and click the green tick mark. Load the first file and place anywhere at the roof. Go to the ceiling plan of level 1 and hold the tile and change the size as needed and align the curved roof to the edges of the roof. Hold the curved roof tile and create a raise in both the directions. Go to 3D view and delete 2 of the walls so that we can see the inside ceiling clearly. Don't forget to select all the tiles and ungroup. Hold the tile and assign material. Select Place on Face option and place at the bottom side of the roof. Place the lights one on each of the tiles.